And the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
If you like money and crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, I'm gonna share my screen. Cathie Woods. It's a force to be reckoned with. Let me share my screen. So we have Cathie Wood. She is actually trying to go for Bitcoin EFT under the symbol ARKB. So let's see what's happening on that side of things. So the institutional bullishness continues as ARK Invest carries on their Bitcoin-related buying spree, and JP Morgan's erode the hints of their clients interested in Bitcoin. So let's talk about Cathie Wood. ARK Invest continues the Bitcoin-related buyer as the founder, Cathie Wood, is the driving force behind the ARK Invest. So she's continuing this long-lasting Bitcoin-related buying spree. On Friday, ARK Invest another 225 and 937 shares of Square Inc. worth 54 million to its holding. The purchase was made after Square, the Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey, announced that Square is developing a new business unit which will further build out the Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem. Now, the trade should also be seen in the context of getting back into Square and having some stake little over a month. So yet the spree just continued on Monday, and ARK Invest in the next generation of Internet EFT ARKW, adding 367 shares of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, the GBTC, worth somewhere around 8 million, and 48,977 shares of Coinbase Global Inc., roughly worth 10.8 million. So their fintech innovation, ARKF, also trading on the New York Stock Exchange, joined in the fund, allocating another 5 million into Coinbase worth 22,900 shares. So yeah, ARK Invest currently holds across all the EFTs, and they are going to be heavily invested in Bitcoin and the crypto space. Crazy stuff, guys. So Cathie Woods is a force to be reckoned with. She has very good insights into the future, which I've covered during the what do you call that? The market crash. So that's something that you should check it out, because she mentioned 5 innovation trends that could be disruptive, and they are within our next to 5 to 10 years in terms of projection.
So ETF is a exchange traded fund, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
right.
Hmm.
So that's something that basically for most retail investors, they can just invest in the fund. They don't have to own the particular coin. So if you are someone like that wants someone to manage your own funds, then EFT is the way to go. But please do check the management fee that comes with EFT. I know so far Ray Dalio, uh, EFTs actually is the cheapest in terms of management fees, so they won't
Hmm.
corrode
Interesting,
your
this one.
profit. Now, in another separate news, JP Morgan clients wants Bitcoin. So they are saying that a lot of their clients say that the asset class they want to invest is basically Bitcoin. And JP Morgan's wealth management CEO, Mary Callahan, stated that more and more JP Morgan clients view Bitcoin as an asset class, and they want to invest in it. So the statement was made in today's episode of Bloomberg Wealth with David Rubenstein. And the interview said that it's been recorded on June 7. Although she was little careful about talking about Bitcoin, she did mention that blockchain technology, which is the underlying piece of all of this, is the real uh, deal that's actually changing the way that we are going to live in this world digitally to interact with financial markets, basically fintech, right? In short. So it is expected that JP Morgan will acknowledge Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies soon, but still heavily working on their own settlement of blockchain JPM coin. So they're going to come out their own coin. JP Morgan is going to come out their own coin through the blockchain division on C. According to the report by Block, JP Morgan is on aggressive blockchain hiring spree. So they're hiring a lot of people. You can find a lot of their jobs posted on LinkedIn. And in conjunction with that, MasterCard also moved forward with crypto payments. The last but not least of the day, MasterCard announced today they want to make crypto fiat payment easier, looking to upgrade its card program for crypto wallet and exchanges for this. The company has partnered with Evolve Bank and Trust Paxo Trust Company, as well as financial technology firm behind the stablecoin USD or USDC. And the briefing said that MasterCard and all its partners will test this new capability to enable more banks, crypto companies to offer card options to people wanting to spend their digital assets anywhere at any time. MasterCard is accepted. So,
Bad news for Mastercard. India started banning Mastercard from tomorrow onwards. None of the bank will issue in India Mastercard moving forward.
wow.
I need to
Wow.
find out the
And
reason.
yeah, find out the reason. It's quite interesting.
Yeah.
I'm not too sure what's the.
So the Reserve Bank of India is a controlling body for all the bank. He just posted a news, also posted in Twitter that they are going to ban Mastercard in India for all the banks. Now,
Wow.
bank has to stop issuing any Mastercards
With immediate effect as of tomorrow.
from tomorrow onwards. Yeah,
Wow. Amazing.
bad news, I think.
Yeah, so I think it's good news for Visa. So maybe we should check
Yeah,
Visa shares.
Visa
Maybe the
still
stock
continue.
for Visa may jump, right? Because you have
Yeah.
acquired
India
new.
come up with their own payment method, which is called RU, but that's not a reason. Same like Master and Visa, they come up with their own payment method, which is RU, rupees short form. But that's not the reason. I think something different. Probably we'll find out more details and cover in
Yeah, we should check both
tomorrow's video.
Mastercard and Visa, as in the stocks. So moving on. I have this. Came in today. Some of my friends were sharing the EU proposes ban on anonymous cryptocurrencies transaction. Of course, the European Union is proposing this prohibit this cryptocurrency as a broader plan to combat money laundering and terrorism
Yeah,
financing.
this I support actually.
Yeah, I
There
mean,
should be some identity
yeah, but it also could be FUD in the market, right? Because when they
possible.
propose something like this, it actually affects retailers who quickly sell their Bitcoin thinking that it's going to be the doomsday. So that's something that could create opportunities for people to sell. So for us, we will still continue to buy. If European Union doesn't want to ban the whole entire Europe from buying Bitcoin, that's not stopping anyone from getting their own VPN IP or passing money over to someone in Asia to purchase Bitcoin on their behalf if they trust. But nevertheless, it actually just kills the opportunity for the people of that country. Um, while there are ways like what China is doing on the CBDC, where there's certain forms of controls and transparency. I mean, European Union could explore that part of that component. They could even enforce certain policies on exchanges to know your customer. There are many ways to do that, but I'm just thinking why propose to prohibit crypto transactions anonymous. I mean, they put this anonymous. It could be defined in many ways. So let's see what's happening on that side of
Yeah,
things.
some upgrade will happen in the transactions because as of now, there are a lot anonymous transaction is going on. Very very hard to trace it.
Mm.
So probably definitely some control will come in the cryptos also.
Right. I can only assume when they say anonymous means they don't know who is the transaction, but they can see it on the ledger. They can see money coming from one wallet to another wallet. So
Yeah,
uh,
but
let's
there
see
are
what.
some wallet not even required any identity. You
Yeah,
just create a fake email and
exactly.
open account in a wallet and start doing a
I start
transaction like
doing. But I
MetaMask.
mean, that's the nature of anyway blockchain. So
Yeah.
you don't need a bank or you don't need government to actually do transactions.
However, the premium wallet and exchange do verify the customer like Binance,
Yeah.
or they will limit your
Right.
the transaction limits.
Right, and
You'll not
I'm
be
going to
able to
stop
do more.
all other wallets, Manish.
Yeah.
I'm going to explore what you have covered in terms of Binance wallet because I trust Binance so far.
Hmm.
They have been
I
hacked
do
before.
trust Binance.
They have paid the price. They are one of the largest. They are a premium exchange, and I believe that if any of us get hacked, I believe they will step up and they will they will insure us basically to recover back something like what Torchain is doing,
Hmm.
right? So
Correct.
let's see how things move on that front, guys. Just to let you know, on a separate news, Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey, Cathie Wood will discuss Bitcoin live at the B Word event. Of course, you can register and have access to it. It will be at 12 p.m. EDT on Wednesday today, basically. So there will be a live, and I think tomorrow we should be able to cover what are the key points of the discussion. I hope it's a good discussion because looking that maybe Bitcoin is slightly up today, trading at 31,000. So do register if you want to know more of how the conversation. I think they will be covering a lot of things from security to transaction speed to gold versus Bitcoin as a 2.0 as an asset that is stable, and all cryptocurrencies can use to peg similar to what we had before President Nixon removed unpacked the dollar from the gold and giving birth to credit, as we know, and what we know as the fiat money. And of course, with the printing of the US dollars, the cost of living becomes very expensive, and it's crashing. It's crashing. So something to note
This
on
is going
this.
to be an interesting conversation.
Interesting. Yeah,
Yeah.
very interesting. I think it's going to be something which is based also in
12 p.m.
science.
EDT Wednesday
Yeah, basically today. So I
today.
don't know. We might be sleeping by that time, but I will look forward to actually watching the this event. I think it's going to be a very
Yeah, we'll try to bring up tomorrow the main part of the conversation
yeah,
at least. Yeah,
correct, the key points, and
the
see
key
how that
points. Yeah.
goes. So that's all I have in the news. Manish, guys, thanks for showing up. I apologize for being late today due to some technical issues.
Yep.
Manish, back over to you.
Sure.
So while Manish sets up this, join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Manish, back to you.
Oops. So, guys, hope you are familiar with this logo called Facebook Libra, now known as Deem. So, Libra is a payment system proposed by Facebook. It's based on a permissioned blockchain that's expected to power an ecosystem for a digital payment and other financial service. It's a currency called DM dollar. Formerly, now it's called it as Libra. Will be backed by a basket of stable coin and it is set to launch in 2021.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So digital payment is a space with lot of opportunity as more and more people are getting access to the internet through the cheaper smartphones. Such much of the economic activity is happening online. So companies like PayPal, Visa, Mastercard are already catering to a lot of this activity. In addition, many projects in the crypto space are also trying to build product for these sectors. So what is Facebook Libra? Libra, rebranded to Deem, is a blockchain based payment system proposed by Facebook in 2019. It aims to provide access to a financial service to provide without a bank account. Some of its funding members are listed as Morgan Beller, David Marcus, and Kevin Ware. The launch was originally planned to be in 2020, but it was pushed due to a various reason and is likely to happen in 2021. Libra is to be governed by a Libra associations, which is an independent membership organization headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Is Facebook Libra is a cryptocurrencies? Well, Libra is based on a blockchain and it does use the cryptographic technology. However, the term cryptocurrency usually implies specific properties that Libra does not have it. If you'd like to read, okay, these details I'll be sharing it. How will the Facebook Libra work? The Libra blockchain, which is rebranded to Deem blockchain, is permissions blockchain that form the backbone of this payment system. So how it is different from a blockchain? We often talk about how blockchain as a Bitcoin and Ethereum are permissionless. This means that anyone and an internet connection can freely access them, transact with them, or build on top of them. Is not anyone anything controlling access. However, This is not the case with the permissions blockchain. To use it, you need a permissions from whoever is controlling the network, or more specifically, the applications you use will need a special access. So Libra, being a permission blockchain, also means that it won't use mining or staking for validating transactions like many other blockchains. So guys, this is a controlled blockchain where you will not have freedom as you have it for other cryptocurrencies. Is the Facebook Libra decentralized or centralized? According to many in the blockchain space, permissions blockchains can't be as a decentralized as the permissionless counterparts, as they resemble more of a traditional corporate database. So Libra is going to be introduced as a payment systems, support several single currency stable coins based to fiat currency such as USD, Euro, and GBP. So all the currencies, they are going to use it as a single currencies, and which they name it as a Libra payment system. So now, the thought what is coming in my mind is Libra is a payment system proposed by Facebook based on the permission blockchain. It aims to bring a financial service to the unbanked through Facebook social media apps. So using social media apps, you need certain payment, or you want to buy it from a Facebook shop, you are going to use this cryptos, the permission based, uh, the crypto which is going to be introduced by Facebook soon. So this is some news which I come across and thought to share with you guys. Hope it's useful.
So Manish, it's out now, right?
No, they yet to be launched. They are going to
Okay.
launch in this year itself,
Awesome.
and it will be there'll be options in your Facebook app itself
Mm.
where you can key in or put some money there, and using that this Libra, you can buy any stuff, you can run ads, you can buy
Mm.
or you can shop in Facebook and many other places. They
We'll have
have
to
a
check it
very
out.
big plans. Probably they are going to introduce soon with all the informations. As of now, the informations are very high level, but since it's a great news, thought to share with everyone.
Yeah, thanks, Manish. I'm not too sure whether you seem frozen to me, so I'm not too sure if everyone is
Oh,
maybe you can
really?
type in the channel whether you can see Manish moving, or is it me that's having the issue. We've been having some technical issues today, so I'm not too sure it's something
Oh,
wrong with
but
the
I
app
can
or.
see my network is
Yeah,
green
yeah,
here.
I see your network okay, but you are frozen to me. It's fine. I
Oh,
think
is
maybe
it
you
okay?
unshare your screen and then
Yeah, sure.
yeah, seem I don't know. Maybe Corey can let us know, or anybody there, if you can see Manish moving.
Hmm.
That'll be a great help. Manish, is that all you have? If not, I will
Yeah,
move on.
that's all I have it. One more news which I just shared about the Mastercard.
Mm.
Let me share something.
Okay.
All right, so as you
Yeah,
can
now you're
see,
okay.
yeah, India decision to ban Mastercard for non-compliance with data storage rule as unsettle the country financial sectors. So from tomorrow onwards, the existing cars being used with Mastercard is no more will be affected, and bank also been instructed not to issue any Mastercard. So thought to share with this also.
Manish?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's all?
that's all.
Okay, fine. So I'll take over. Let me move to. Let's see what's happening on the market side of things. So, guys, today we are in extreme fear. Seems like the market is a bit down compared
Oh,
to the
really?
20s that
But
we have.
but the
But the big
status of the wallet shows something else. Yeah, let's
Yeah,
see.
yeah. This is a fear index that is taking into account mostly Bitcoin.
Last updated July 21st, 2021. Should be updated.
Let's see what's going to happen in the next coming weeks, especially even after today, where there's the B word that they are going to have a discussion. We seem to be a bit down, partly because of certain parameters. Of course, it doesn't mean that people have fear. It just means that there's low volatility, there's no market movement, not much mention of social media, and of course, dominance and trends takes precedence. So this is just one factors of the many, because sometimes, like what Manish is pointing out, doesn't mean that we see 10 actual Bitcoin still shows that we have came back to the support levels. Now, on the stock market side of things, of course, the fear index, we have kind of went up a bit for a while, and it's back down. Nothing much that's happening on the stock market. Of course, business as usual. Let's look at the cryptocurrency, the top 10. So Bitcoin is slightly up again today. Seems to be very nice, positive sign. I'm not too sure what's the reason behind. Could be because of this 21, where you have all the key players coming in to have that discussion, and everybody is just buying into that frenzy. So let's see what happens, because everything looks green today, guys. You have the Straits Times Index, SP 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq. Gold slightly a bit down. Mostly when every markets are up, you will find the opposite of gold and silver. So there's something to take note. Let me go to the top 10. So market cap slightly up, about $1.2 trillion. Yeah, 40%. Everything seems a bit strange to me, but let's see what's going to happen in the next couple of days. So Bitcoin is up by 7.20, Ethereum is up by 9.54, USDT is up by 0.03, BNB coins is up by 9.33, Cardano up by 12.43, USDC break even, XRP is up by 6.42, Doge is up by 18.50, right?
Yeah.
Polkadot is up by 13.39, BUSD is up by 0.02, and Solana up by 13%. So amazing today. I don't know.
Yeah, the Doji is picking up. Today I
Yeah,
saw a big bar here.
yeah. Let's see.
hope,
Let's see what's gonna
hope this
happen.
is going to be a good news tomorrow morning when we wake up and see you in the moon.
Let's see. So let's look over what's going to happen in the. Let's look at the 6 months. So Bitcoin slightly down over the last 6 months. Ethereum, of course, 55%. BNB 600% in the last 6 months. Cardano 200%. Doge 2000. We have a few rates like Polkadot, BUSD, Uniswap up, and Solana 600%. So just something to to always remind us that as long as you can get good percentage like this, there's room for opportunities, right? Putting $1 and getting your money to work hard for you. We'll look at Bitcoin today. So Bitcoin, although you don't see much volume that is happening, we have actually uh, broke back. Will this continue? I will redraw back the charts, because I just saw that it was a kind of a wedge moving down on a 1 day chart, that's giving me. But if you look at a 4 hours chart, you can actually see that we hit quite a low portion, we channelized, and now we are coming back up. And because Bitcoin made this move, all the altcoins followed through. So, but of course, again, the transactions of the day seems to be hovering, right, between 100, 200, 100, 200.
It's normal
So
like other day.
normal like other days, right? So we have to be careful. We have to be careful. Mining, of course, has increased tremendously. So it's a good positive sign. We should come back up to the range, which is somewhere around here,
Is this
right?
the reason for
Yep.
the market up?
Yeah, recent. So mining has been growing. Today is of course T minus 1. So as of yesterday, you can see that we are up to 100. We should maybe hit maybe sometime in 150 average, 165 to 170. So let's see what's happening. I know North America is picking up on the mining.
Oh,
The
that
other thing I
on.
wanted to cover today is Ethereum. So Ethereum, reason why is today I have removed a lot of things. I'm not using the MA. I'm not using the VWAP. I'm using the Bollinger and
I think you're using the BUSD pair.
yeah, because that's what I'm trading. Doesn't
Oh,
matter
that's your
because
trading. I'm trading in a USDT.
same. You just have to swap. Which I will go there shortly.
Mhm.
So I'm trading in BUSD pair because I don't trust USDT for a simple reason is because we covered that in the previous video, and they have not shown artifacts that they are fully backing up that stable coin of USDT for 1-to-1 matching. So I'm trusting Binance. So I'm pairing with Binance. But nevertheless, Bollinger still shows almost the same. So we bought, myself and Manish. I mean, Manish is pairing with USDT. I'm pairing with BUSD, but we bought at the low. And today, in the next 4 hours, we'll monitor this. We might put a sell. So we will sell at the green. Of course, this is not financial advice, guys. This is what we are doing, to buy at 1,007 and sell later at 1,009, making about 200.
971 or 970.
Yeah, about 970.
19770.
For me, will be about 970 because if you look at the green, it gives me the price if I put year. But of course, I will sell slightly below that. It's about 980, about 980 for me. Let's look at Manish, because Manish is doing
USDT.
Ethereum USDT. Okay, so let's look
I
at
think one benefit you will get it, your transaction fees will be very less if you are using Binance USD.
I paid about $6 if I $6 US. So Manish should be selling very soon, guys. He bought also at the same time as me, and he should be selling at about the same.
Yeah, I probably put a stop sell.
Yeah, stop sell at 970, just making the extra 50. So you might walk away for every
Stop order.
every one coin that Manish owns in Ethereum. He's gonna make about $250 US, and it was only a couple of days. We bought,
I think yesterday night.
yeah, within 1 day, guys.
Within one day.
$250 US. So that's I mean that's what we are doing. So that's the Bollinger. If you have not caught the Bollinger, always just go back to root zones. Head down over to our how-to guides, right? The Learn Crypto Investings. Go over. You can just watch the Bollinger Bands strategy using Binance mobile app. Of course, this strategy can be used across all platforms that allow you to do trading. So that's something to take note.
Yeah.
If you have any questions, of course, you can just ask us on the channels. So that's all I have today, guys. I will open up the floor. Yeah. So let's see, Corey, DM, sucker sites. Oops, sucker sites. Corey is talking about Facebook.
Yeah.
So
I also, I think everyone in a race to come up with some financial, some crypto, some currencies, some blockchain related
yeah.
stuff.
Sooner or later, we will be paid with some form of coins. Some form of coins, either from a salary point of view, from a service point of view, corporate, country, no difference. And even now in gaming, I think you've covered some of the games, right? Manish, you said Cardano may go up soon. Can you talk
Yeah,
about it?
I'm going to cover this probably tomorrow. I tell you why it's going to be up. I have already collected some of the key points which I'm going to share you tomorrow.
Yeah. So I think Cardano has 5 milestones. They have reached.
I'm saying that it's my assessment. Probably in 45 days it's going to be up.
There is a actually ongoing bet for October, right, Manish?
Yes.
For Cardano.
So right from today, 45 days, it's going to be a all-time good hit. So I'll tell you the reason tomorrow. I have collected some of the key points which I'll be sharing it tomorrow.
Right.
Thanks, Corey, for asking this.
Yeah. So if you're doing trading, just for the sake of understanding, so I'm just going to use Bollinger again for Cardano. So for Cardano, hi Loon, welcome to the channel.
Hi, Loon.
So for Cardano, right, ADA, I'm just going to use USDT, although my personal opinion, I don't trust USDT. I wrote to them telling them to send us some verification, so I want to actually share.
Loon is happy.
Happy, yeah. Today Loon is happy. I know. Because this for Loon, right? Green.
Yeah, look at the greeny. The grass is green outside.
Grass is green, man. Yeah, have a nice
Barefoot walk.
So guys, again, Bollinger, you a few days ago, yesterday in fact, if you have purchased Cardano, you would be selling maybe in the next, either today or maybe by tomorrow when it hits the green. So you are just only short of this. You would purchase Cardano at about maybe $1, right? A
Mm.
dollar, and you would have sold it for $1. Sorry, am I looking at the correct thing? It's $1, and yeah, you would have made 20 cents for every dollar. So if you put 1,000, how much will you make? You'll make 200, right?
Yeah. In
Or
just in a
20.
day, no?
1, 2, 3. Yeah. Sometimes I get my numbers I get mistaken. So that's why for me I just trade Ethereum because it's it's already in the thousands. When you buy Cardano, of course Cardano is cheap. Cardano is a good coin to have as part of your portfolio. So 50% always goes to Bitcoin, and that is to acquire and to hold until it becomes $1 million at some point. Frees you to do the things you love. Never have to worry about actually working, taking that, putting into traditional markets, getting paid a miserable 6% per annum on $1 million. I think you can survive with 60,000 divided by 12 months. Pretty good. 5K a month USD should be okay, right? In normal circumstances. The other 50% is to gain capital appreciation. So you want to few x your money, right? So you imagine if your other 40% in a year is year to date, right? So a dollar will get you 7x your money, 2x Bitcoin. So you can see that even in a year, you 2x your money, your Bitcoin is slow. But you want something, so the other 50% of your portfolio should be, look at Binance Coin. Every dollar, get a $15. So 1,005%, 850, 5,000, $56 for Dodge. So that's, I mean, of course, Dodge, Shiba, these are all meme coins. It should be maybe 10% if you really like those coins. We personally invested because we have certain affiliation with Mr. Elon. So let's see how's that is
Let's
going.
see.
So yeah, Solana, amazing. Solana is what is known as the Ethereum killer. So that's it's good. So let's see what's happening. Corey is going for Bitcoin. Loon, I know is happy with Bitcoin. He's laughing today.
Let's
Loon
see.
is,
I'm everyone is predicting that ADA is going to be the Cardano is going to be $5 by next year. So let's see.
yeah.
Probably we refer back from now.
Yeah, I think the most important is that we have to look at the transaction because
And the
what
project also where they are associated with
yeah,
what's the future, the face, the roadmaps.
correct. And
So I'm
Cardano
going to
had a
share that.
very clear roadmap.
Very, very nice plan
I'm
they have it.
still waiting for the smart contract to come in.
Mm.
Second, a good leadership team, right? The co-founder came from Ethereum. Every time for the life of me, I keep forgetting his name. Yeah, Hawkinson's, right?
Hawkinson. Yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, they good leadership team, good team, good roadmap. They know where they are heading to. Um, Also affordable. To buy Cardano as part of your 50%. So Bitcoin will be, yeah, Loon, I'm waiting for that.
Yes. See you
Yep,
in the moon, Loon.
3x. So let's see what happens. I think then we'll have a very nice Christmas. I think that's
Yes.
what we are aiming for. And we always look at any crash that has happened over a period of time. It create more growth. There's never a time where the stock market actually crashed and never actually recover. Made it back bigger, stronger, and better. So as long as fiat money is being printed, which I think this year they printed so much more, 7% per annum, then money will flow from any of those asset class, right? You get into real estate, gold, metals, commodities, businesses as now as cryptocurrency also. So hopefully the printing don't stop there and we should be in good hands. So that's all, guys. I have stay positive. I think we should see a very nice run up as we are
Yeah.
coming through. Right, we are still in on the 21st. I'm looking forward to the live footage by these three people, right? Cathie Woods, Elon Musk, and Jack Dorsey. So let's see what happens after the 21st. I don't have any more updates. So with that, guys, thank you. I will try again to come on time. 9 today we had some technical issues. So
Sorry about that, guys.
yeah, so see you tomorrow, same
See you
time,
tomorrow.
same
Yeah.
channel. Manish.
Yep. And if you have any further questions, please let us know.
Take care, guys.
Take care.